Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratik Patil, and I am currently pursuing my MBA at Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today, I will be present on the topic method of job analysis data collection. Introduction. Job analysis is the process of collecting information about job, its duties, responsibilities, and required skill. It helps organization select the right employees, provide training, and improve overall work efficiency. Observation method. Direct observation. The analyzer watches employees will they perform their job task to understand work activities. Work behavior study. It helps in studying how employees actually behave and perform in real work situation. Time and motion study. The time take and movements used in completing the task are carefully observed and recorded. Accurate job information. It provides real and practical information about job duties and responsibilities suitable for manual jobs. This method is best used for job that involve physical work and respective tasks. Interview method. Direct communication. The analyze direct task to employee to collect information about the job. Detailed information. It helps in gathering in-depth detail about duties, responsibilities, and the skill required. Clarification of doubt. Employees can explain their work clearly and remove any misunderstandings. Flexible method. Questions can be changed based on the situation and job type. Time consuming method. It takes more time as each employee is interviewed individually. Questionnaire method. Written question. A set of written question is given to employee to collect job information. Cost effective method. It is less expensive. It can be distributed to many employee at once. Wide cover. It help collect data from a large number of employees in different location. Quick data collection. Information can be gathered in a short time compared to other method. Less personal interaction. There is no direct contract between analysts and employees, so responses may vary in detail. Log method. Daily record keeping. Employees maintain a diary of the tasks they perform every day. Detailed job information. It provides complete information about actual job duties and responsibilities. Time analysis. The method help identify the time spent on direct activities. Continuous data collection. Job information is collected regularly over a period of time. Limitation. The method can be time consuming and may depend on employees' honesty and accuracy. Conclusion. Job analysis method help organization collect important job information using the right method, improve employees' performance and organizational efficiency.